guys, my name's Wendy. I'm the registered dietitian over at the Pantry Doctor, and my portion of the program is to help you out with nutrition as far as meal prep plans. Let me tell you a little bit more about those meal prep plans. These are, first of all, not a strict, structured type of plan. They're just meant to give you ideas. Sometimes we get stuck in a rut when we go to make dinner or get in the grocery store and we're just like eating the same things over and over and over again. So if you're tired of grabbing the same bag of salad and your taste buds are looking for something different, you need some new fresh ideas, that's what these are meant to be. And I'll tell you a little bit about them. So you'll see 3 meals each week. You'll see 2 different snack ideas, something to satisfy your sweet tooth, and a salad idea. What I suggest is don't try and tackle all these things at once the first week, because more than likely, if you're not already cooking this way, you're already batching out some meals, and you change this, and then you try to add in all the exercise, you might feel a little overwhelmed. So what I suggest is that you pick a couple of things that look really good to you and get those ingredients from the grocery store and start small. If you're not already cooking or batching 1 meal a week, try just to go for 1 meal. Maybe you want to pick a couple snack ideas too, and then add on from there. So you'll see these meal prep plans and you'll see the word batch cooking, and I'm going to explain that to you and what that means in the next video too. So most of all, if you have any questions, you know how to reach out to me and Melissa on the Facebook group. I look forward to helping you and showing you a little bit more about how to incorporate these healthy whole foods into your diet.